Hello, welcome to UPSC Rainbow. Previous class study about the agriculture sector. So let us start with the new chapter known as the industry sector. You know the industry sector is also known as the secondary sector for the economy. In the secondary sector, we study about the manufacturing sector. What is the industry role? What is the index of industrial production? So let us begin with these first questions. The Indian Aviation Report 2014 highlight which one of the following as the main reason for the non-competitiveness of the Indian aviation sector. You know that the lack of infrastructure is not there because having sufficient infrastructure, lack of skill is not there. Privatization is not cause for these. Over taxation is the cause for the non-competitiveness in the Indian aviation sector. Asking about the correct statements, only for a correct statement, so answer is C. Which of the following is not Navratna Company? Shipping Corporation of India is not that, is Maharatna Company. Indian Oil Corporation of India, you know that the what is that? Airport Authority of India is the what is that? So asking about the correct statement. So 2 and 3 are the Navratna companies and the M10 is the Mini Ratna company. So asking about correct statement. So 2 or 3 are Navratna. So answer is B. Consider the following statements. A small industry development bank of India was set up as a whole owned subsidiary of the RBI. This statement is incorrect because he is whole owned by the Industry Development Bank of India. So first statement is incorrect. CDB has taken over the responsibility of administrating a small industry development funds managed by the IDBI. Yes. Asking what the correct statements, only two are correct statements, answer is B. Consider the following about the virtual clusters. What is the virtual cluster? You know the web portal by Department of Information Technology, not web portal by Ministry of the Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises. So first statement is incorrect. Web portal for the by the Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium. Yes, it enables a small businesses and other supporting institutions to come together. Yet it enables banks to refinance each other. This is not correct. Asking what correct statement, 2 or 3 are correct statements. So answer is B. Consider the following statement about the history of the various plants are correct. The first modern steel production unit was established in the Kuti, West Bengal in the 1874. These statements are correct. Bhilai steel plant was established in the 1955 with the help of USSR. Yes. Rourkela steel plant was established with the collaboration of the West Germany. Yes. Bokaro steel plant started taking shape in 1965 and it was first blast furnace started on 2nd October 1972. Asking what correct statements 1, 2, 3, 4 are correct statements. Answer is D. Consider the following statements about the Rashtriya Ispat Nigam. It is also known as the Bijag Steel. These statements are correct. It has been constructed with the collaboration of the former USSR and Germany. Yes, it is a Navratna company. Yes, it is a 5A certified company. Yes. Asking what correct statements 1, 2, 3 for correct statements. Answer is D. Which of the following is a not an immediate indicator of industrial sickness? You know the industrial sickness means how to industry go down because lack of something. So what is that? The not immediate indicator of the industrial sickness. First is the drop in profitability is not cause for that. This is the yes. Labor unrest is also there. Shrinking of the market credit is also there. Decline in market share is not is the indicator of the industrial sickness. Asking about the not indicator, so answer is D. Consider the following statement about the pool pricing. Controversial proposal to pool prices has been associated with the coal. These statements are correct. It is a mechanism for averaging of the price of the imported and indigenous coal. Yes, it is jointly buying the coal block. This statement is incorrect. It implies to private companies only. This statement is also incorrect. Asking what the correct statements. One, two are correct statements. So answer is A. Read the following statement regarding the Indian Minister Urban Development Ministry has formulated National Transit Oriented Development Policy. What is the policy? It will promote infrastructure for the metros, monorail, bus, rapid transit. Yes, only states are required to incorporate in the transit oriented development of policy. This statement is incorrect because both center and states are required to incorporate in the transit oriented development policy. So this statement is incorrect. It has been made mandatory reform under the Green Urban Mobility Scheme. This statement is also correct. Asking about the correct statements, one of the correct statements, so answer is D. As per the RBI directive, each one of the following is the new subcategory of the commercial real estate sector. This is a new category. What is the residential housing? So answer is C. Read the following statement regarding to Indian Union government's approval of the Delhi Mumbai Industrial Corridor project implemented through the trust fund. What is the correct statement? As a national industrial corridor development and implementation trust, it will implemented in the three proposed industrial corridor. These statements are incorrect because today while having total 5 industrial corridors, so first statement is incorrect. It will function under the control of Department of Industrial Policy and Promotion. Yes, Apex Monitoring Authority will be constituted, periodically review the activity of the National Industrial Corridor Development Implementation Trust, progress of the project. These statements are correct. It will not include in the Ministry of Commerce and Industry. This statement is incorrect because it is included in the Ministry of Commerce and Industry. Asking about the correct statement, 2 are and 3 are correct statements, so answer is D. And 12 is a skip question because it is old. Consider the following statement. Bombay Stock Exchange launched the BSE Carbonex. Yes, these statements are correct. Carbonex is the first carbon-based thematic index of India. Yes, Bombay Stock Exchange has launched the Islamic Equity Index also. This statement is also correct. Asking what the correct statements, so 1, 2, 3 are correct statements, so answer is D. Etna category status holding public sector company India can incur expenditure on modernization, new project as well as equipment project without the approval of the government up to 500 crore. So answer is D. Read the following statements regarding to Bharat Mala project related to developing new roads in India. 4,700 km road will be constructed to connect the religious and tourist center. Yes. Highway will be developed to connect 100 of the 60 district headquarters in country. Yes. Swiss challenge system will be implemented for the achieving the project. Yes. 1 to 3 are correct statements. So answer is A. This is old question, so skip that. Read the following statement regarding to a Startup India program. It will offer incentive to entrepreneurship to establish the venture in India and abroad. These statements are incorrect because it gives incentive but not only for India, not abroad. So first statements are incorrect. It will encourage setting of the incubation center, easier patent filing, tax exemption on the profit shares. A startup will also provide free legal support in the filing intellectual property right. Yes. Asking what the correct statements, so 2 or 3 are correct statements, so answer is B. How much percentage of the cost incurred in the Indira Awas Yojana scheme for the rural housing share between the center state 70 to 25 ratio? So answer is C. Select the correct about the Indian state in the health sector. Okay, Kerala is the best performance in the term of the life expectancy at the birth for male and female in the last decade. Yes, Madhya Pradesh the rose in terms of the life expectancy at birth both male and female in the last 5 years. This statement is also correct. The highest birth rate in the India is found in the Goa. This statement is incorrect because the highest birth rate is found in the Bihar. So asking about the correct statements, both Y and M are correct statements. So answer is D. Mobile commerce service M-Paisa is initiative of the whom among the following companies. Vodafone is there, okay, and also is the ICICI Bank. And the Airtel and HDFC is not the asking for correct statements. 1 2 are correct statements. So answer is A. Thank you for discussion.